This is day 12 of dropshipping. What I ended up completing yesterday or last night was I found the three images I'm going to use for the test, and I have good hope for these images, mainly because I tried targeting the avatar within the image as well, not just the overall problem. So, the image basically has something in there that can resonate, or that can the avatar I'm targeting can resonate with, and then the people that resonate with it even more, or the problem, they'll read the hook, and those people will end up reading the rest of the copy. So I think those images are good to test. Today I also ended up completing the or fixing up the product page, and because I had to pretty much edit everything, like the words it used, so my avatar, once they go on it, they can resonate with the page as much as possible. And also the hero page, I ended up changing a lot of images, but it really wasn't that much work. It was just generating more and more images. Changing the words, that was pretty quick. I just made AI do that part, and yeah, apart from that, everything else is pretty much done. All I need to do is the headlines and just figure out what I'm going to use. I'm probably going to end up using the same criteria that I had for the hooks, and pretty much reword it and give it to AI so it could create some headlines, so I can use those. Once I find those, I'm pretty much done and I can run the test. I'll probably end up running the test tomorrow. I just have to double check if I missed anything. Like today, I changed the ebook since the last one I had didn't like match the avatar I'm targeting at all. So I changed that. Something I tried to do, since I don't really know how to create many or a good ebook, or I don't know what the structure is for an ebook or what it should be. I pretty much just made sure it was informational as possible, because what AI tends to do is like it really just reiterates, or it just like literally just puts everything that's in the product page sections already onto the ebook. And I did not want that, because I didn't want my customer to buy it, and then if they decide to download the ebook, then they'll basically get hit with the same information from the product page. So I wanted it to actually have good, like valuable or not a lot of valuable information, since it's just an ebook, but valuable enough for them to like read through it, and then when they leave, they basically learn something new instead of just rereading the product sections. So I made sure that was like that, because I don't know how else I should structure it. I know it should be simple. It shouldn't, even take that long. But, I tried to make sure there was a lot of information. And yeah, it was ebook, and that's pretty much it. I don't really know what other gifts to give it. Since can't really give it like a physical product. But yeah, I don't know. Like I want to learn more about that, about how to really structure an offer and leverage like gifts, certain gifts, or which gifts will I can make to make the offer more appealing to the customer. But yeah, I think this test might. I feel like it'll be better. It'll have better results. Hoping, since, but it does look good all around, mainly because everything is literally targeted to one specific avatar that does a certain thing. And I think it'll be a good test, since everything really like correlates with each other: the ads, the images, the hooks, and the product page. But yeah, hopefully I can get these top of funnel metrics. Probably the copy isn't gonna end up working. Like I have a big feeling that it won't, but hopefully I get good metrics to the point where like all I have to worry about is just editing the copy and making it convert and finding a winning desire. So yeah, after that it's really just scaling after that, and upping budget, seeing what works, posting a bunch of ads, literally a batch of ads every day. Obviously quality ads, but a batch of ads to, you know, find as many winning angles if I find, you know, the winning desire and the winning copy. But yeah, apart from that, that was pretty much for it for day 12.